Hey there, y'all. It's Melanie Ferguson with Southern Crush at Home, hoping to inspire you to create and decorate a home that you love. And I am coming to you live from Destin Beach, Florida. And so we are on our family vacation, but I knew that you guys, I didn't want to leave y'all, for as long as we're going to be here without having a fun craft. Or DIY. I don't really know what you call it. So we are hopping on here. It's a different time for me. It's just before lunch and everyone's down at the beach. Okay. So it was my only time. So I wanted to pick a spot to be able to do something with you guys real quick. So here we go. Good morning, Alicia and Sharon. How are you ladies? I have my swimsuit on. I'm ready to go down. All right, so today we are just going to do something, again, I've never done it, but we're just gonna see how it goes, right? So I went to the beach store, and you guys know how overpriced the beach store is, right? Oh, how do you like the beautiful painting behind me? I thought, I'm gonna use that as the backdrop because it's so pretty. Hey, Leanne, hey, Debbie. Y'all, I didn't bring my little share block, but you guys know the drill. Let's get this thing circulated, okay? I appreciate you. Hey, Linda. So I got these shells. I guess it's not backward, it's backwards for y'all. But I got these shells and everything's so expensive, but these were half off. Woohoo! So I got a good deal on them. And so we're going to try to make them even prettier, right? So they take batteries. I don't have the batteries in right now, but that's okay. It is a string of shell lights, and we are going to just have some fun with them. I can't wait to see what we make. We'll figure it out together. All right, so we are going to unravel these a little bit just so I can get them separated. How are y'all? Hey, Tammy. All right, so there's not too many on here, but this is what it looks like. All right, they are just little white plastic seashells, and my guess is that they have a light in them. So I have a second idea that I want to do for this entire project. So this would just be like part one. So I have a bowl of water, and then I have all of my paint, right? It's all the fingernail polishes my daughter discarded and didn't want anymore for one reason or another. So when we first started this trip, it was the 4th of July. So thank you, Tammy. So I was thinking originally we were gonna do red, white, and blue, and the shells were already white. But since that is not the case, we can go with whatever colors we want. Thank you, Debbie. I appreciate you. So I have this awesome neon yellow. I don't know. I can't decide. And then we have a navy blue that's kind of frosted. I don't know if you can see. The light is over here. It's not giving me much mercy. All right. And then this funky blue, I like that blue. And then there's a pink. I like the pink. It's like a bubblegum pink. And then we don't need white, but look at this, y'all, this glitter color. I'm thinking that might be fun to put on. Yes, use multiple colors, any color. Thanks, Tammy. I was thinking that too. And then we have this lavender. I like this lavender too. Thank you, Bonnie. How are you today? And this is a gold, kind of a frosty gold. So apparently it didn't make the cut for the fingernails. This is like a silvery color. So we're just gonna pick a few colors and roll with it. I'm gonna try to see what goes together. Maybe the best, I don't know. I'm thinking the bolder the colors, the better. Hey, Jane Ann, how are you today? And Janie, how are you? Oh, good, Bonnie. All right. I know I want this mauve color, and I'm pretty sure I want the blue. I'm thinking these three, the gold, the blue, and the mauve might be good together. This lighting isn't the best, y'all. I'm not with my regular stuff. Thank you, Tammy. and then maybe a little bit of neon with it. Let's just get going. So we're gonna go ahead and pour some in here. Yes, we're having a great vacation, Terry. Thank you for asking. So the way I understand is you just pour it into the bowl of water. So we are just going for it. And whatever the pattern that you pour is the pattern that will end up on your piece. So I'm gonna put the camera down on here so you guys can see it before I dip. And then I'm just gonna go back and forth on this way. This is strong smelling, y'all, with the blue. Ooh, that's kind of pretty. And then I think I'm gonna add the gold. I'm gonna go this direction. The gold is kind of going wherever it wants. This is awesome as far as fun. This is really fun. Y'all really ought to try this. Okay, so I'm gonna put the camera down on the project so you guys can see. I can't see what you're seeing, but I'm hoping you can see the paint. Could you see the paint? Y'all let me know if you can see the paint. Use the neon too. I'm brave, but I don't know. I'm kind of freaking out. These, I'm thinking for the project, we're gonna start with just these colors. Yeah, because it's really pretty. All right, so we're gonna start, I'm trying to find the battery. So the battery is down here. I'm gonna start with the first shell and I'm gonna dip it, okay? There's my first dipped shell. Can you see? The lighting is not that good, y'all. I think the picture when we're done will be so much better. Hold on. See if I can get the light on here. Oh goodness. Maybe no light. So there's the first dip. And in order to get these, I'm just gonna go let it dry like that for a second. Move on to the next one. It basically clings to it, y'all. Look at that one. Debbie, I'm dipping the shells in fingernail polish and water. It's a bucket of water and fingernail polish. I'm gonna lay these here for a second, y'all, and add some more polish to the bowl because it uses it quickly. And some of it went to the bottom. Look at the yellow in your shirt. Yes, it would be pretty. Okay, looks like I'm gonna do a little bit of each color several times because it only covers like 2 shells. And the gold I don't have a lot of, so I may end up having to use the yellow. Tammy. Come here, gold. The gold is definitely running out. But these are beachy colors. Oh, yay, Janie, I'm so glad. I'm so glad. Y'all, you can do this on anything. The one I got inspiration from was, I can't even remember. I feel like it was pumpkins. So this was a while back. So I'm gonna dip the next one, y'all. And you literally just cover it. Look at how pretty that one is. I'm gonna take a picture when we're done, y'all, so you can see it without the light giving you issues. I'm just kind of holding them a little bit apart so that they don't mess each other up. I love it. It's really pretty. Add a little polish remover to your gold. Yeah, just to make it go further. It looks a little cakey. Looks like it's seen better days. Okay. Kind of getting some of this one on here. They're so pretty, y'all. So the story is I was gonna buy, well, of course, first I wanted to just find the shells. This is the pink one. It's more pink than anything. I wanted to find the shells, but this is not the kind of beach to find those shells. I think the shelly beaches are more east. And so basically, then I thought, oh, well, that's fine. I'm just going to buy them. I'll just buy some shells, right? Second most logical idea. And then they didn't have any that were really substantially large. And the ones that they had were tiny, and they were like $10 a shell. And I was like, yeah, no, not with projects. Jean, you did it with rocks. That sounds awesome. I'm just making a mess here with my chitter chatting. And so anyway, I found these lights, and they were half off, Debbie, at the beach store. And so I was like, yes, this will be the answer. This will be what we use. So I'm just getting the gold in, and then I'm going to show y'all the paint again for those who are just joining us, so you can kind of see the drizzle. So you want to go in different directions for it to make a different pattern on your piece, whatever it is you want to color. So I'm going to show you. Here is the... Oh, it's mad at me. Hang tight, hang tight. Here we go. Here's the paint. Can you see the paint? Trying to give it to you all different directions so that the camera's not in the way. I mean, the light's not in the way, and I can't see what I'm showing you, but this is the paint, and that's how I have it drizzled in the bucket. Okay? And it's just water in the bucket. Jane Ann, I am in Destin, Florida, and we are on vacation, and everyone is down at the beach, and I'm about to join them, but I wanted to get this crafting with you guys so that I didn't miss you this whole week. Oh my gosh, this one did good, except for the back. The back didn't get any, so I'm gonna lay it. I'm gonna let it dry a second, and then I'm gonna lay it down. That was that one. Okay, I'm gonna do the next one. Do you guys love to go to the beach? I kind of like how that one it wasn't solid. Can you see what it's doing as I dip it in and pull it out? It's making all the different patterns. Okay, here's the last shell, guys. This is it. You should go check out You, Me, and the Sea Boutique while there. I'm sure we will, Christine, because we are going shopping this afternoon. Yes, we are going shopping this afternoon. Oh my gosh, y'all. The last one did the very best. I can't tell how much you can see, but this is the back of it. Hold on. That one did awesome. Awesome. Guys, this is super fun. This is a great project for the kids to do with you. As soon as these are dry, I do have a second part of the project that I want to do for y'all when I get home. And then, of course, I'm gonna add the batteries to the light string, and then we're gonna light these up. They're sticking to the paper towel. We're gonna light these up. This is kind of where they started, or where they're at right now. I love the colors we went with. It's kind of a pink and turquoise and gold. You live about 30 miles from Galveston, and it's not a very pretty beach. Oh, I know, but we love Galveston, actually. Not necessarily the beach part, but definitely the shopping and at the Strand, and we love the Galvez just because it's, and what I'm doing, guys, there's a little bit of polish left on the top of the water, and this one didn't get much on the back, so I'm just dabbing it in what's left of the water. I mean, what's left of the polish in the water. And that one was on the side. And there's a little bit of polish here. And it took it. All right, so we do like Galveston. I love the historical hotel. It's my absolute happy place. And so, yeah. Debbie, I think you could find them at Hobby Lobby. This is bad. So you can check a look for them. They are called Chesapeake Bay. I don't know. They were half off of 15 bucks. So I thought they were really cute. It just says Shell Party Lights. They might even be on Amazon or on just the Hobby Lobby website. I don't know. But these were at Albans Island, which was the beach store here for, you know, all the tourists to overpay for seashells, right? So that was the project, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope that you guys try something like it for yourselves. There's so many different things that you could dip in your discarded polish, and just pick your favorite colors, pick your favorite item that you want to dip, and then get to dipping. These are almost dry, and yeah, they turned out awesome. They turned out awesome. I'm gonna let y'all see it this way too, so you can see. Hang tight. Can y'all see that? There we go.
Back again.
And so here is the finished shells. And of course, they're not lit up yet, but you can kind of see how each of them is different. I particularly love this one, clearly. And then there's that one. I like that one a lot too. Look at those colors, y'all. There we go. A little bit of light for you. And yeah, once they light up, they're gonna be super pretty. But anyway, yes, great kids craft. I appreciate y'all, appreciate you doing the sprinkle thing and hitting that little arrow and sharing this to all your pages so that you can remember it for later. And I will see you guys when I get home. I'm gonna keep posting on here, keep watching for stuff. And I appreciate y'all. Have a good one. Bye. Oh, wait, hold on. Not bye yet. I wanna show y'all the view. I'm gonna show y'all the view. Hang tight, I'm gonna turn it around. This is where we're staying. Look at the view. Low connection, but hopefully you got to see the view. We'll talk to y'all later. Bye. Wish y'all were all here.